wasn't?
How old is that?
Okay, let's try this again. Is there red filling inside that cake? You take 2.
Look at this. You taking the baby?
That is a tiny
So take the baby.
Yeah.
Congratulations.
Oh, theft.
Look at that cake. That is lovely.
That baby is
Yeah, there's going to be a Amber Alert in this area soon.
That's a freebie.
put that in the freezer.
It still counts.
Very good.
Okay, so far so good.
Wow.
Where does one get a monkey cake?
From the monkey store.
Is that where it is?
From the monkey cake maker.
Custom monkey cake maker.
Wow.
Oh, that is so gnarly.
The cake maker said you should take the head off first.
Hold on.
Let me say you should take the head off. Yeah. That's what the cake maker
Wait,
suggested.
let me get this at 48 frames a second. Whoa.
Actually,
Now I feel like I'm in one of those.
Save the head.
You left some vertebrae. Wow.
that's a good piece.
Okay.
I want that piece.
Save the head.
Thanks.
For the first year. Okay.
That's frightening, guys.
Yeah, freeze that for the first year party again.
There's just something so wrong.
In so many ways, there's so much so wrong.
That's like
Try and take care.
Hey, yeah, you took that arm off. Oh,
It's like Thanksgiving. Just take the
wow,
drumstick
dude,
off.
look at that. That is gnarly.
There we go.
Oh, you had to take the. Oh,
There's the drumstick, the wing. Now it's a lobster.
apparently. I don't know what else to say.
Yeah, restuffed.
Wow. So it's chocolate chocolate cake and Rice Krispie.
Wow. It's got a little fight in it still.
There we go.
Why'd you balloon
There we go.
Is it just me like pouring up?
That's 2 pieces. Can you help me out here, brother?
Oh, it just gets better and better, man. You should send Fangoria some pictures of this cake.
Okay, who wants a piece?
Okay, I'll take it.
All right.
We didn't know it was a birthday.
Anybody else? Going.
Give me a bicep.
There'll be some for everybody. But you're gonna have to double cut this stuff. I mean, that's like 4 or 5 pieces right there.
Yeah.
You want me to get the end of it here for you?
Yeah.
The back side, I'm gonna need the knife though.
Over the top.
Oh yeah, teamwork.
Thousands of dollars in fireworks. Yeah, it's all about green.
Do you want to?
Whoa!
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 You ready?
I sick that for
Oh,
There you go.
look at that, dude. Look at that. That, sir, is biology. The trapezius and
What
bicep.
happens when you have a stuntman make your cake?
It's kind of wanted to layer. And it's like, is that the stomach? Can we adjust?
Yeah,
The luau pig. I'm
I was waiting for the red filling, the strawberry filling.
luau pig. No, someone. I mean, it literally melts, and it's just. I've had it in there for several days. It's the most unbelievable thing I've ever tasted.
I was in China.
All right. Who wants a piece?
I always do this.
One piece, Brian?
Everybody said, you get to go.
I don't want to erase Christmas.
Okay, you have to wait for another arm. Who
No,
wants a piece?
aren't the right crispy things in there?
It's always a place where they have the whole head. Yeah. I mean, absolutely.
This is just so wrong.
We had multiple times.
Another arm?
This is wonderful. Somebody's like, we don't have anything for vegan.
Are you cold?
Vegetable pie. I'm like, how about if I mix
Well, he doesn't need anything. He just has coffee.
She comes to visit me. The first thing she did was me as a pancake, and I thought, you know what? Well, no, thanks. It's not that big a deal. You just have to use substitute. Like, she was vegetarian wasn't a big deal, but then it was the whole like vegan thing. Ah, okay, but I can do it. That's great. That's
Oh, it's really
I think you should save the baby and save the head for the first birthday. I know that's
Hey, am I going to get a cinematographer credit for my IMDb? Am I going to get a camera op credit for my IMDb right now? Corey's baby shower. Self-right.
What?
The hand. Oh, that's mainly Christmas.
Yeah. So comments. Every now and then a different start time. So that I don't know because a friend of mine does it. right. Yeah, it takes.
All right, Rice Krispie treats.
Yeah,
I'm saying
what's the other Rice Krispie treat? And I was like, okay, just let me know what you've done. Once you've done it.
Rice Krispie
Just let me know when you've done it. And then you have anything again.
You want to get a spoon or something for that?
Other people.
How about that skin? What do you think that's made of? I don't know. What does it taste like? Weird. Oh,
Trying to bring up chocolate.
Yeah, it made such a difference to us. We
Strange
stopped
taste?
eating cow dairy, and then we stopped eating dairy altogether, but then we started eating dairy.
this is like mega icing, dude.
One piece.
Or something.
I think there's some plastic in there. Yeah, kind of.
My sister writes
Kind of rubbery.
Skin. Crackling.
It's a little stiff.
Crackling chocolate, right? It was a little crackling.
It is a
In Australia, they're tall. They're all about that.
That's the diaper.
Yeah,
Well, there is chocolate
it's
in
not quite
the diaper.
Australian. Right. I spent 6 weeks in Australia. I was in Adelaide to start at doing hot air balloon.
Yeah, on the hunter.
To figure out better watering tables for the vineyards. And then we went wine tasting and ate a lot of German Christmas. Yes, and then a very nice friend would have a 6-seater plane, and there was only 5 of them, so they took me on their plane, and we went out to the outer islands. And
Wow, you've seen some great
it was
places.
awesome. It was awesome.
Yeah.
And I got bit by those freaking ants in the northern part of
Oh, no,
Cooktown.
so you're right.
Oh, yeah, those things just make you want to die. No, they're horrible.
I said a camera in a bull ant's nest.
Yeah,
So I'm like,
that was definitely metal.
and then like,
They're all laughing at us.
I'm on fire.
Yes, exactly.
Little flesh there.
Yeah, that was a monkey.
That was the worst thing that happened to me from a.
Nothing better than monkey meat.
Yeah.
I had a bear running.
Best monkey meat ever.
Oh my! It came up to me and put its nose on my leg. Oh my! And I had a machete, which I didn't consider a weapon because I didn't know how to use it. But I
One more for Ace.
the Boy Scouts of Thailand logo on it.
I think I gotta listen to some of these scriptures.
Because I thought maybe it would attack me. I could scare it off with an air horn. And my Thai guide, who was 75 pounds, said,
Thanks for the record.
Will we gonna stick the knife in that thing and call it done or what?
Yeah.
Done.
I said, no, he's going to New York.
Ah.
He was a bear.